Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to restore all the black trim on this Mustang that has some serious sun damage using that black stuff.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan and this is my garage and this is my Mustang GT500, which is, well, it needs some love. It's been probably sitting outside for most of its life. It's got a ton of sun damage and the black trim on the outside, all the plastic trim looks absolutely horrible. So we've got some that black stuff. We sell this on our website, normalguyssupercar.com. It's really cool stuff. And we're gonna put it on there and restore the black to looking awesome. So if you're interested in buying it, again, check out normalguyssupercar.com, but otherwise, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We do appreciate your guys' support. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna obviously want to tape off everything. We don't want this getting on the paint. And then once we do that, we're gonna apply it. We might have to do more than one layer, but you can see just how gnarly and faded all this crap is. I'm gonna first clean it up with some rubbing alcohol, just to make sure everything's nice and clean. And then we will apply some of its, that black stuff and see how it comes out. But we've got this piece, we've got some trim down here. We've got some trim at the mirrors. Got trim down there, and there's some trim on the bumper. All of it looks pretty terrible. Oh, there's even, yes, trim in here. And you can see just how badly sun damaged. Look at that. That stuff has turned to like jello. Like it just, yeah, it literally just falls apart. I need to obviously get a new one of those. But yeah, we'll restore all this stuff and it should be looking a lot better. This might take us more than one day because, well, it's a lot of stuff. All right, we got some non-chlorinated brake cleaner. All right, just clean this stuff up. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, so it says to shake it really well. Got my little sponge applicator. Apply a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Okay. There we go. Stuff's pretty thick. All right, let's see how it comes out. It says to apply thin coats. You might have to do multiple coats here. I think I might have to get like a toothpick to get in, or a what do you call it, like a cotton swab to get in between all these vents. Yeah, that looks like it's going on smoother rather than that foam pad. So this is working a little better, I think. Pain in the ass to get in those little holes. Alright YouTube, that was a lot of work, but I got most of it done. I'm gonna save some of it for another day, but check this out. That looks a whole lot better than it did before. Also, the front splitter, that looks fantastic. It's actually black, and then the side skirts, those look amazing. Got the little tiny ducktail, looking good. And then the rear bumper, oh yeah, it's actually black instead of like a gray. I realize, like, obviously replacing those parts is probably the best option to have it be perfect, but you know, this is 20 bucks and all of that stuff would have been probably a couple $1,000s, I'm guessing. So I'm fine with that. That black stuff works really good, easy to put on, wear gloves. It stains everything. I ruined, these clothes are definitely ruined. Don't tell Meg. All right, guys, we're gonna be doing a lot more cool car stuff, so buy some of that on normalguysupercar.com, and we'll see you in the next video. It's gonna be sweet.